Got a friend or family member who banks with VioBank and you need to send them some cash. Or perhaps you've got a VioBank account yourself and you're wondering about the easiest ways to fund it from another institution. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head, trying to figure out the best way to transfer money to VioBank, then you're in the right place. We all know the hassle of moving money around in today's digital age. With so many options, from traditional wire transfers to various online payment platforms, it can feel like navigating a maze. And when it comes to a digital-first bank like VioBank, which is known for its high-yield savings accounts and CDs, understanding the ins and outs of transfers is key to maximizing your financial flexibility. So, how exactly do you get money into a VioBank account? Let's break down the most common and efficient methods. The first and arguably most straightforward method is through ACH transfers, also known as automated clearinghouse transfers. This is essentially an electronic network for financial transactions in the United States. Think of it as the backbone for direct deposits and bill payments. Most banks, including VioBank, offer free or very low-cost ACH transfers. You can typically initiate an ACH transfer in two ways, either from your external bank account, pushing money to VioBank, or from your VioBank account, pulling money from an external account. To set this up, you'll need the routing number and account number for the VioBank account. ACH transfers are generally reliable and secure, though they can take 1 to 3 business days to clear. Next up, we have wire transfers. If you need to send money urgently, a wire transfer is your fastest option. Unlike ACH transfers, which are batched and processed periodically, wire transfers are real-time, one-off transactions. This speed comes at a cost, as wire transfers usually incur higher fees than ACH transfers, both from the sending and receiving banks. To initiate a wire transfer to VioBank, you'll need VioBank's wire transfer instructions, which typically include their routing number for wires, the bank's address, and the recipient's account number and name. Always double-check these details to avoid any delays or misdirection of funds. Don't forget about mobile payment apps like PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle. While these aren't direct transfers to VioBank in the same way ACH or wires are, they can serve as an intermediary. If the recipient has their VioBank account linked to one of these apps, you can send them money via the app, and they can then transfer it to their VioBank account. Zelle, in particular, is often integrated directly into many banks' online banking platforms, making it a quick and often free way to send money to someone with a linked account. Just be aware of daily limits and transaction fees that some apps might impose. Finally, consider mailing a check. While it might seem a bit old-fashioned in our digital world, it's still a viable option for some, especially for larger sums or if you prefer a paper trail. The recipient can then deposit the check into their VioBank account using mobile deposit or by mailing it in. This is obviously the slowest method, but for certain situations, it can be a convenient alternative. Before you initiate any transfer, always confirm the recipient's VioBank account details, including their account number and VioBank's routing number. A small error can lead to significant delays or even lost funds. Most banks also have daily or per transaction limits, so be mindful of those, especially for larger transfers. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to contact VioBank's customer service or your own bank's support for clarification. They're there to help you navigate the process smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.